Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric mobility scooters for adults that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XMB 420 Elite 3-wheel electric mobility scooter. As one of the best choice mobility scooters for adults, the XMB 420 Elite 3-wheel electric mobility scooter is designed strong and tough. This mobility scooter is made to withstand the toughest of conditions, thanks to its top-quality wheels and frame. Watts: 400 watts, oversize, will haul big loads. Amps: 40 amps total. Volts: 24 volts DC. Each pack is 12 volts. There are 2 packs. Batteries: 2 packs of 20 amp sealed mobility batteries, 2 batteries total. Tire size: 16 by 2. 1 charger. Smart charger included. Charging time: 4+ hours. Toolkit included. Speed: 10 miles per hour. Distance: 30+ miles on a single charge. Throttle type: variable speed control. Thumb plus high, low speed switch. Climbing ability: 15% grade. Tip over protection. Wheelie bars included. Braking system: brake is in the motor. Release throttle to automatically brake. Drive system: 1-piece mobility electric motor. Rear axle with differential unit. Turn signals: yes, left and right. Turn indicators included. Mirrors: yes, left and right. Mirrors included. Foldable. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Smarscoot mobility scooter. Unlike most mobility scooters for adults, this one has a unique design. It is very portable, thanks to its lightweight nature and easy-to-fold frame design. Not just that, its maximum weight is only 40 pounds. If you are looking for a bike that is so simple by design, this is a perfect choice. At number 3, we have the Pride Mobility GoGo Sport Electric Travel Scooter. This is one of the most excellent mobility scooters for adults. Created for heavy-duty loads and projects. It weighs 325 pounds and has a perfect balance and stability system for enhanced comfort during rides. The Pride Mobility GoGo 4-wheel electric travel scooter heavy-duty is specially crafted for excellent performance. The sports wraparound delta tiller helps keep your hands and fingers relaxed as you drive, which is ideal if you have arthritis or limited dexterity in your hands. On the adjustable tiller you'll find front LED lighting to help light your way and a charging port for added convenience, giving you 2 ways to charge your battery, both onboard and offboard. At number 2, we have the Drive Medical Phoenix HD 4-wheel heavy-duty scooter. This is a stable mobility scooter for adults that has a quick disassembly and assembly process upon delivery. It comes with an interchangeable color panel, red and blue. This is also a sturdy and durable kind of mobility scooter. What is amazing is that with this product, you are truly assured of optimum comfort, usability, reliability, and durability. If you're seeking an easy, transportable mobility option that's ideal for outdoor use, but need a weight capacity greater than 300 pounds, the Drive Medical Phoenix HD4 is perfect for you. The Phoenix HD4 has the highest weight capacity in the market for travel scooters and combines easy portability with a 350 lb weight capacity to accommodate a greater variety of users. The Phoenix HD4 is lightweight and easy to disassemble, perfect for taking wherever you want to go, either around the neighborhood or far from home. The scooter can be disassembled quickly and easily into 4 easy-to-handle pieces for loading into a car, truck or van to take shopping or on vacation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. This is another high-quality compact travel mobility scooter for adults. Just like the other scooters from the Drive Medical Company, this one is also quick and easy to assemble and disassemble. One distinct thing about the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter is that it has an elegant and ergonomically comfortable design. The Scout transportable scooter combines convenient mobility with superior value in a colorful, customizable exterior. The Scout is compact, lightweight, and easy to disassemble into 5 manageable pieces, making it ideal for both daily use and travel that requires vehicle transportation. The 3-wheel version of the Scout is specially designed for nimbly navigating indoor layouts with ease. A technologically advanced Quick Connect battery pack and a delta-shaped steering handle make operating the scooter effortless, even with limited strength or dexterity. This model comes with stylish, interchangeable color through panels, in both red and blue, which double as a protective layer against potential scuffs and rim scratches. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.